Hi guys, welcome to another episode of That Gardener channel. Today we are going to do a little bit of harvesting with the shallots. So the way we tell if the shallots are ready is by looking at the flowers and the greens when they get very dry. So as you can see, most of them have dried out. They've become yellow, brown, and they start to hunch over and they fall over like this. And that's an indication that the shallots below are ready to be harvested. So let's see if we can get some harvest today. Nothing on this side either, so another failed harvest. Let's see if we can get on the third try anything on this side. So looks like we might have something on this side. Few bulbs. Okay. So this is what I meant by the dried tops, the greens. So a little bit of a harvest, at least this side, but the other side was a bit of a failure. Let's see. Like better harvest on this side of the small garden. A few more. So this is our harvest today, a couple of shallots that we were able to dig out. I think we're going to use it for our lunch today. Just wanted to show you how the harvesting time looks. The tops, as I mentioned before, they look very dry and they start to hunch over and they're yellowish. So what we're going to do is use some of these for cooking and put the rest in for harvesting for next season. They take around 6 to 7 months at least to really be ready for harvesting, and the signs are definitely to see the dried out leaves and flowers on top.